Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tips on how to configure Hammerblade V for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, navigate to special function. Right here we'll be able to find accessibility. Then first thing we're going to change is the display size and the text. Here we can adjust our font size, which changes the size of the text on your entire device. Then there's the display size, and it makes everything bigger or smaller, including icons, text, and the buttons. Then there's a bold text, which increases the thickness of a font. High contrast text, which adds black outline to your text, and you can see it mostly on the home screen right here when the text is wide. Then we can go back and select color and motion. Only thing I would do here is enable remove animations. This reduces the motion sickness when using your phone. And the next thing is magnification. When activated, it should add this floating out icon around your screen. You can click on it to enable magnification mode. Click anywhere else to zoom in, and then click on the icon to zoom out. And honestly, that would be all of the functions I would recommend to change. Of course, you can experiment here in accessibility if you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.